When you're not going from any part of the continent, I will be an share, which is in in fact, as a diamond, I say, you know, I think now you will. That's the most important. Now, anyway, I think I grab a semi-can if you self praise evangelist. I'm say you move be at some be okay can say we I'm say yes, you are TV pen. Already, say, nominatis, nominate lodge, nominate Freemason for no baby confesses, say, we say, near TV. And in some of Kakanina, I'm say, Yati say, Freeman, nominate, we say, no kunkunipa. But only you know can say, Kofima Kuku, Anochi, or India, I'm at house and one Mokun, say, no, Sansemini, no. Actually, no, you proof be evidence be bit of say true, bit of say and true because at the end they say, oh yeah, there on say we know kwan so I'm off for better as here. And you know, maybe say are there no or you're wise and I say or you're foolish and I say or you're both because you can't say wise say who show so ability. Now, what mean a good judgment based on a deep understanding of something. A deep now person and I say I be a dishonest. Now, the good judgment. What mean? Yeah, by me who say say na here clear. That is wise. So and fool see obia or act someone unwisely or imprudently or obia or a silly person. Another word in idiot. So another word for wise and clever or intelligent. Now you follow that definition here. Who say in some are there can say Kofinu Freeman for Kukumwe Anochi or India say no. On says I some when you know you're but say proof by evidence by you. Because also airport do you coordinate and so be able to make I could try airport. Say yes, airport in here. Maybe you want an airport, not the airport naturally. But one can who proof the same. Because we say okay, only ho omukun so date. But who proof a chess a yampano way. Babu, the India or a jam say, despite all I mean eyewitnesses in now. Woman who say Babu. There's no evidence say Babu na or kiss or that say inkunkunipa. But no say Babu no or Nyerongo. Nyami ni because Sanka or Jack Unyano Emma Quatara Ankasa Kunya Kemba. So, but ye can't evidence pa say depending there, there wasn't enough evidence to show say or no or that sunny when you know. And then are there can you say when you come cathedral, also 24 Muslims in you also or can say but see ye flow wow didn't you know ye flow say for evidence brass say when you can't bring anything. Wait me home. And you know so or yes hana or yes sana it had to be wise enough. You know, this is a question. No, you Bonia, Adi, Ubesobeya. Once, oh no, or Kakuta Airport on Kakuta Airport, was and I say hospital. No, hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is this. I'm here and I'm asking, go around live. Then will be some is I'm not sure here. This guy is our brother. He wants to have operation here, but we don't know whether he's here or not. Oh no, it's not. We don't have any name here. Oh yeah, he said no. And only who know live. Who say evidence or but what if I come and sorry, offer TV, offer telephone, come with a laptop now. Bonito and you but you cannot even really know. They need evidence to prove behind you. You might not say how can I empower, but Jamini. But who the evidence no money there? there's nothing to show at all. And more 18 no have to be cancelled at all. I was saying fanyansa and you be out. I didn't know ya, yes we out some na can now di. What can't say munina? A bit of say no cre. We must say no cre because no when to me proof bia. There's no evidence that a day air car say amma I say no uni on I'm not in India. I'm not your fan to play. I'm not here. I say. One chair bibia. Or one say, or he only presuming say, oh there be I saw, oh there be I say, I saw Michelle Grove. Kofi Annan story out there, Kofi Annan is not a small man. It's almost like a president, so he will be doing the same thing like the man. I mean, because it cannot happen, no, but that doesn't improve at all. And it's always so yeah, okay, you can continue, but it's no alcohol. I didn't see an alcohol. And I say, almost cathedral, almost 24 Muslim. That's not can you know, where's your evidence? You know, can you give any evidence? Ah, come on. I mean, I don't know how many years I war US, but at least, yes, no. Think we blow homes, so without any evidence, you have evidence, say, okay, now you know, and I was smoky. Now soon be on the hour. Okay, I don't know more uncle live. Oh, and you know, I dare assume you have say live in hospital. I say, oh, be any life, and not you. I say, yeah. And I say, oh, can't say, oh, we say, a plane, and you say, I didn't if you saw me, say. Oh, come on, this is not how you wisely you do something. Cathedral, come and say, the president, you know, there's no common sense in it. Obia to be money I mean idea. Obia comment you need Ghana for. Me say if I'm allowed to give comment, and I can say you know for no mean how cathedral. The cathedral is a big house bishop for Catholic for idea. But we share European for now. Won't say omunyina no. Will be bet. Answer na we do some limit no. I also be say yeah economically no saying it here because Europe was saying for example France na say you know bunch, you can say bunch will be homeless, no crap no that bunch no crap no. Or social benefit or you say 5 minutes in ambulance no one. Here they cut hospital. 3 or 4 days, no to na you know some baby. If you want somebody then because some person first have responsibility so which your life in as you know or professor or be free. But still no, they get something. But anyway when you know we don't. Sub-Sahara, no country in Sub-Sahara are ultimate benefit. Akwalakwa ye mumbi. We are see how uniska will be. Meboa. Uni baby, uni ska which danka will. But that one thing. I'm say South African say the set to nuna. I'm say omuma benefit. South Africa ma almost say $30. Yeah, $30 a month. But Sub-Sahara there, I don't know. It is you say a build cathedral. I mean, first of all, no, we have to do the first thing first. Oh, maybe opinion, no, but so on one, and I say on one sicker on the bed, yeah, okay, there's no problem about it. On one sicker bed, okay, but the Ghana's money is not for that. It's not for building a church building. No. There are so many things to be done. They say nipa ebre, uniska, unyesi, you know. I don't have any opinion, no, but I won't do that in a way. Say, me cancer, na me say no can. No. Oh, I don't hear wrong, no. I don't mean yes, sir. But 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 1 it say, osime popo weni enchire openi na emu 24. Don't openi ya dey na say ye rompo na. Be no, popo weni chire say dey o say exhort him as a father. Because when you or this papa, why papa or your nana or obey on nana. And you say wouldn't nya adwen and you say obey ye no. I know. That is wrong. That is nothing be new. Oh, and you know question maybe say me feel say before say maybe you know you know your position. It is also support to know say we dey now wa dwini no. Oh, na ade a ma me me yes video ni say me nim yentia. I don't understand why man we say now Jesus this and I said I don't know what Jesus has done him. Or see or you would for na gospel no crap no and it's no nyina the same. E be say But the same gospel here. So when you not control baby, no you not show the same thing. Who are the same person here? Because you with the answer, you not show the same thing. Anything you man, anything I say Bible no, because all of them they didn't live the same age. And all you know, oh man show the same. Where could choose him? No man could say, oh, Charlie, then I bet you no. Each one wrote independently. Say no man no say true. And no try. Until we supply near we can. If I yes now we are. Now we are. We now we can. Now we are. Anything your friend no. One gospel written by 4 men. I just said 4 men car accident. And you send on some non for reporting. They will never write the same thing. We just say near we make us a nipa mienu we make us a nipa miensan we because mienu no mu we make us a mienu driver. Sana tie. Sana mu ye no. And you don't even find no make us oh I didn't know. Why the trouser? Who are you to say that I didn't know I answer? So we that's why you do. You say. And for see a different or see yenye Latin. Oh. I mean me nim say yeah Jesus you know. Me nim say ye can zakwa we the video no about no but maybe if say the only best way I say we have to stop because also Okwasiano always say the more I will support you the more and Jimmy no yibasa. You know maybe if say we have to stop listening to this guy because me all can yes be any on all can no kokotu Quran so can Quran chapter 3 verse 10 say Quran support to Bible but also you din wo no but sanka onimunyansa ka wo Jesus to na Muhammad to no ma na ho na modra also one can because when you say can follow there oh yeah arbitrarity but when you say Christendom there is not a violent religion. In fact, akola we 10 years crap on the Bible man New Testament no na say when timi anti ase crap na one thing no beti ase say no Christianity is not a violent religion. Anu kwa obeti ase ade ade nko a say that's why I may be saying no anytime bisa question no say akwa we o nyansa na say o kwase ano akoda we 10 years be na ya paso avye o si deben me and Winam or see me and Winam na poison na is this guy correct at all na Ghana it is deben Satan come dio ma dwuma ni ho na ye ma kwatwe omoja na nsem posasem bi okaka na omo portus gareti ba na so omo nu a na mo yare a omo portus gareti ba efinfa America na also America ho na we dey no no obetima ana on country on wo ana on country America for no mi o ye no kasa no kwa no utimi country no ana on country ma says get nya we nya Ghana for say Ghana for dey o US obetima kan no pe bia tulo bia wo na o si computer o mu ye computer no mu ye computer virus when ye computer o say computer virus in fact anyone asema ade ekeka no em say I say mo support no mo na mo ntro no na mo kan nyasasem kire no em say instead bi ho na o kan no utim say nyasa pa ni nyasa pa ni na pese me kan say me pese me kire sa asema o kan say Yesu we say no eno na enti na ma me ye win because asema o kan nyina no ade e be yan say obi di Kristosum afa adi Kristosum dan kofo na so kokun obi a how say why are you blaming Jesus e be say Yesu no aka say momu niewu momu niewu na so obi say oye Kristo no akodi ewu a na wo blame Jesus no obi fa udi na so kokun obi a identity na so kokun obi a na me tia se na me ka se wa da ekwase a na me no me ekwase a e be se bi hu se so bi fa udi no ko ya de ni che se wo na wo ekwase a wo na wo udi fo no enti sa se me wo nti ase wonti ase mo ase a chinchina ko ka wo wa se ma na wo se Yesu Kristo udi fo mana pa o kan Bible na Yesu mana na Yesu kun wana pa na Yesu kun na no bona so Muhammad okun krofo no ani krofo Jewfo no okumo owuye Abubakar e de be si na nan Abubakar no wanche no owuye o ma ne ba o march call Jerusalem no kunkum nyina e capture ono no capture Jerusalem o sa crusade na mo tete no sa o man ono e capture Jerusalem se munni ma udifo religion we say when me and carry wo hu na Jesus Christ na be ka say you dini. Well, I'm sorry for you. Unni me okan se obese o ka say when Freemason fo kuku bi a ye me sre wa ka me mfa Kristosom beto because Kristosom en kasa se kuku bi enti so obi the Bible no e da obi a eno nche say Bible no na e Bible is against. The Bible, if the Bible is against what the person is doing now, then you don't blame the Bible. Oh, see now, if the Bible is against what Obiaya, then you don't blame the Bible. Why then? Every time you kasa now Jesus aba, it's like say we say Kristosom no enye violent Obiya betray utinti no na oka, but Kristosom no say no why din unka, oni za kwa bi no, oni do yare krampo or even example no, be o se be musu se ba. O say okara na Kristosom je no wa ewe. Beginning no person we after every one warning until no jai Kristosom de o say Obiya mekunu until no omo sorry a omo bio ma no a no mo kan kwasa sem sa ano he so kan Acts chapter 4 Yesu etua for no omo ye de omo ye chiwo ye treating ye jawo Acts chapter 6 chapter 5 ye buo ye jawo Acts chapter 6 and 7 Stephen was stoned to death they just for no one. Why didn't they fight? Acts chapter 8 Paul Bible just said Paul was persecuting the church, going everywhere, killing them. Where was it? Where were the apostles? Where? Why didn't he wage war against Paul? Nothing like that. Acts chapter 12. And then you see here, James was beheaded with a sword by King Herod. It's not from where were they? Did you see them fighting? No. Paul was beaten. Paul went to Antioch. Oh, he was beaten with Barnabas. Nothing. In fact, Paul was put in a basket and he didn't fit down one because he wanted to kill. In Acts chapter 21, Paul was Acts chapter 23, a biblical can say, Paul. It's your phone, and they say, oh, should the beginning now? Yes, you can't you one. Oh, should beginning now. Your brain now. You never hear the whole New Testament say, Obi Krampo Nasu. Enti, until you can't, but you don't tell us, so until we ask the answer, you are very full. So, what man can New Testament name who are? Obi catch him saying, we be the Christosom did ceremony a day, but one thing, who Christosom say, Christianity is not a violent religion. And no one there, Obiaka. Now, until we ask, then you are a big fool. Now, Mumiyama sa we no kan o say Jesus. O say Luke chapter 24 no. Dem na asutama Jesus bi wo no. O catch obi say suafo no say, "Tama me suma mo no. Ah, ma 5 record. Mu here bibia na." Na mo say David. I'm say okay, sisi ade. Wa oni o pause no fa o pause. Any o sack with the bag I will do with him. Na wa oni sword no. To o bibi na fato. Na o kan sa o kan ba na o say o say o munya mienu sword mienu. Okay, and o say eye. Sword mienu na eye. Na sa sword no Greek kasa no eye mahara. Mahara ni ye sword no enwa bia agese say na ano akwa kakra na yede etwanam ana fresh. And yes, certain tin ni bi no Roma for sa na Roma for ni tin mi da bi because certain tin won say kabe ene na kana Peter no expect wo wenwu e yesa we ni bi no mashara ni bi tin tun fast na etwa we say no makos aso na Yesu e catch them say eye na Argentina Yesu bi somsa say omni kokon ana na so omni kokon a enti two sword so sword gitim you know say no and then be okay am 12 disciples no akoshia Roman we say na aye ba no say who say wo nyansa o be say it's not possible two sword Small sword too, facing the Roman army. That is not possible. Now, Emma Roman for no buy, okay. John 18:10 now. Peter, don't say Peter no, you be a your friend impetuous Peter, be a 1-2 no art, 1-2 no art. Ye kaya, I'm not yes, you can't so be no. Peter said, David, you muda. I'm a yes, you can say, get away from you, Satan. Because oh no, said the same thing, ye chi yes, no. Among guys in the say, oh, John, no, say, I can't go. Quick, deny. Oh, and no Peter no or no or you be a or your overconfidence 1-2 no at it now yes I know on say ucha we na so na Peter and I used to catch and say Peter put back your sword into where it was, for don't you know that those who use sword to kill will also die with the sword. Let's just say the aim Yesu I catch him say on per sword no that wasn't accomplished. And yes, sir, and now all pay no. And you know, catch Peter. Sanke, I didn't come, but so many qua. I don't catch Peter. Say, okay, Munko, hey, moon. No, but catch Peter. Say, put back your sword. And of far will not the air. Into Shamu Crampuna, what him say, nobody died in that accident. Be in war. Now, I didn't. And I used to demand it just to fulfill prophecy. Because, okay, used to be someone say, have you come out with weapons? So, as if I was some sort of a violent criminal. So the sword presented as what as a criminal before Jesus Christ. And to tell the apostles, they say, look, you also, you are going to face difficulties, persecutions, beatings, sufferings, and that you may need a sword, but you may not. You don't need. That will make you think that you need what action, like what Peter did, but you will not. You don't need. So, and no a teaching no. Now every time now, yes, we can't search no. Never. Because this you have one almost some mentality no. Ye kaya okay, Luke chapter 9, and now yes, we catch them say, Samaria a crabia say, no one prepare, no be found ko Jerusalem no. Okoye no, oman peniso. And then James and John catch them say, Lord, allow us to raise fire from heaven to kill them like Elijah. Now Jesus rebuke you because Jesus know he said he came to save, not to destroy. Oh, and the yes to you a mentality no if you so. And no children lesson. No catch him say this is was to fulfill Isaiah 53. Okay, Isaiah 53 now. Or see that Isaiah 53 or see therefore I will divide him a portion with the many as he shall divide the spoil with the strong, because he poured out his soul to death and was numbered for the transgressors. That was the fulfillment. Okay, one man. And the Peter no no. Peter did the wrong thing. And I used to correct him. And I catch him and say, look, from now on, we are not sinners. Jesus came to save sinners. We are not sinners. We are kwasiesu. We are sinners. The worst sinners not as well. Depend be we are depend no we are say on kasa on your body. Say we go so ko bo ira o me excuse na. Nti we say no e won. E no na person chira na. It may suicide soon say we are not sinners. We are sinners. Okay, to make us a media yes na. Okay, that's your own. But me can say we are say o say me we preku nam poison yade. Oni hwan e kasa. Oni hwan e ka che osa. Unya some information whatever. But I say, some people when they when they open their mouth, nyansa kakra company ni mo metumi akasa. Also say you are talking to the whole world. Now look here and say a tree no kind to ama others no omun ten come sere kra, o sere Ghana for kra because no guy can. Bon, I will say Jesus Christ or say apostles for no your body guide. Your body guide. The we some who okay we apostles for your body guide. omo ye Jesus bodyguard na yes ni ye powerful I didn't know catch him so omo kofa sword omo koto sword na yes no oyo wudifo to say be osama be na asema yesu catch omo no later no Peter o can first Peter chapter 4 verse 16 na Peter na kaza no o say let no one suffer as a what as a murderer. Peter, see, let no one suffer as a murderer, or as a thief, or as an evildoer, or one that meddling with somebody's affairs. But if you suffer as a Christian, you have to rejoice in Christ. Peter, and they can't know. Then they say, asima Yesu kaya no, echira wo no, akoma so. And you can the whole gospel now. Ube say, can the old church no start to the end that almost send John, that is Apostle John. Your true revelation, no echo a Patmos, present day no talking on island beyond. There was no single apostle or senior or CEO of Okunye, and I saw Bobiasun. No. Now we Paul, bro, Bray. The letter of the Corinthians or see for more imprisonment with countless beatings and often near death. 5 times I received lashes by my own Jews. 40 lashes. You see, 3 times I was beaten with rod. Dangers from robbers, danger from my own people, danger from the Gentiles in the city, danger everywhere. Everywhere. Never. O share Roman for persecution of the bar is your phone so. Nero. And you can't say there's nowhere I won't say Christopher or me then Omokoye. International yes to cry no na yampa. The 2 swords was to fulfill the prophecy, not to kill. Now say won't you as we are say now so we evangelists are now they say we fake evangelists won't you say. And in some okaka no mo am support no mo ni a so obeka say we kun a on pay evidence papa ni enti ase na Bible no de yesre na onyin hu film kra because won ti say we ase de a say me ni part of the Bible obeti ase and yes obi gina okotu ba mo keke na say what ase and to me ni there Ade is not a wise guy, he's a foolish guy. And a proverb in Kayan or see a person or Proverbs chapter 3 verse 17-20 say even a fool who keeps silent is considered wise. A fool. And can say Proverbs chapter 10 verse 1 or say a wise son makes a glad father, but a foolish son is a sorrow to his mother. And I'll say kwasia say odi no to we motem kra na won kra na say we na he continue to be a kwasia. Okay, Proverbs chapter 27 verse 22. But I hope say it's not too late. Mumuntu no for no nya Bible no. Nyamenka mo no kan nyina na muntu no for. That we used to do. Amen.